Memoirs van 'n gatkruiper, Henny Greef. Waar kom hierdie naam van die boek vandaan?
Ek het die boek eers 'n ander titel gegee. En toe sê iemand vir my, maar luister, jy moet die naam verander. En die iemand was Johan Stemmet geweest. Ek was saam met hom op skool. En hy is toe die eerste ou wat die boek koop ook. En hy het dit baie geniet.
And this book is also in English, and it is about his work in tunnels, right? Wat 'n gatkruiper is jy?
Ek is 'n man wat in tonnels rondkruip. Ek kruip in gate rond en ek doen siviele tonnels en ek het eers in die myne ook gewerk.
Baie interessant. For instance, the Gautrain tunnel, you worked in the Gautrain?
Correct.
And
I also worked in Lesotho on the Lesotho Highlands water transfer tunnels.
wow.
45 kilometers of tunnel boring machines.
And then you wrote this book on all your adventures.
3 different continents at least, being South America, Asia, and in the Middle East and Africa, and about 14 countries that we've lived and worked in. Places that people haven't even heard of some. Have you heard of Sulawesi in Indonesia?
Nope.
It looks like a spider that sits across the equator. I worked in both North and South Sulawesi, climbed down a volcano there with Annabelle. So yeah, I'm taking people on an adventure across the world, across places where you even have some guys that shrink heads, that eat dog. I have the honor of having eaten piranha. They didn't eat me, here I still am today.
Come and listen to his talk at Imibala Cafe. What's the date?
23rd of August on a Sunday, 2 o'clock.
You can see Henny is someone with a lot of stories, and it's also in his book, Memoirs van 'n Gatkruiper and Adventures of a Tunnel Rat.
Correct.
That sounds very interesting.